Alright guys, the 7.3 is back home. It's still the same day. We just got back home. We're going to reverse, well, because that's all we can do is reverse. We're going to reverse it back in here a little bit. We're going to see what's the issue. We're really hoping that it's just a loose, some loose parts in the tranny area. So we're going to see if we can assess that today as well. And we'll see. Hey bud, what's up? Come here buddy. Come. Come on. How we doing down here?
Hey, what's up guys? Still taking the bolts off.
For the most part, all the fluids were all drained.
Yeah.
All the transmission fluid. Alright. I think that's the last one. This case is, oh, there it goes. Oh. Still drippy a little bit. We have this cardboard down here. Alright, guys, it's kind of a mess.
It is a mess.
Oh gosh, look at this. Everything's all apart. Jesus. Let's hope this is the first and last time we ever have to do this, or Kevin ever has to do this. Alright, so what are we looking at here?
So these are the feed bolts right here.
And is that what you think is loose or disconnected, or what's going on?
Let me try to... No, it's tight.
So it's not loose. So that might not be the problem. So what was your second? So that was our first. That was his first feeling that he might have thought those were loose, which is causing us not to go forward. So what's your second thing? The second option is to buy a whole kit to. Was that the second option you were thinking?
I don't know.
Because a whole new transmission is what, like $5,000?
Yeah. Let's just take it out.
So what's the second assessment?
I'm gonna take it out, clean the thread, and then put it back in.
Alright guys, I kind of took an unexpected turn, got a little bit sick. So last we left off, the tranny was drained and pulled apart. That's been all put back together because what Kevin thought was the issue ended up not being the issue. The fluid was pretty burnt, so he ended up putting everything back together. And now we're actually just gonna scrap the tranny and upgrade. That's the only thing we could think of. I mean, 310,000 miles, the best option is to upgrade. So this is what we got going on today.
More YouTube.
We're starting early in the morning because it's been hot. In the afternoon, of course. So everything's cleaned up a little bit better now. Kevin's gotten this supported and ready to drop. Thank you, Shelby, for the tranny jack. So we have everything all supported here, or Kevin has everything all supported.
Yeah, it's gonna be kind of tough because
so I just haven't been able to help because I've been super sick, but I might be able to help a little bit today.
Yeah, I just need you to like guide the back.
Yeah, so
we'll probably put a strap down and then we'll lower this part, and then just slowly lower that.
This is what's going on, guys.
Yeah, it's like 300 pounds total. I should take the transfer case off, but then it's gonna be a mess. Yeah. So I was like, you know what? We'll just let it drop. Yeah, originally I thought it was gonna be the feed bolts, but when we took it off last week,
no issues.
All the bolts were tight, so the next thing would be the Ford clutch. And the Ford clutch is inside here, I believe, or here, the other end, so, which is inside the transmission. So either way, it has to come out. And I figured, you know, if I'm not gonna pay somebody the labor to take it out, we're gonna just use that money towards the part.
All right. I think he's ready. All right, what do we got?
I think it's ready.
So where am I gonna go? At the end?
Just hold this part right. Alright. Last bolt right here.
Hold it?
Yeah, like yeah.
It's not gonna fall, is it?
No. Hope not.
Because
ready?
it's gonna dislocate my shoulder. I feel it, I feel it. I feel it. A lot.
Hold it, hold it. Yeah, just hold it like that for me. Okay, you got it?
Kinda.
Woo! Alright, we're gonna lower it.
Easy.
Yeah.
Safety.
You gonna leave that there?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Where am I going? What am I touching?
Nothing, just keep that wood there so it doesn't fall on my hand.
Moving it back? Pull it back?
Yeah. There you go.
Alright, tranny's dropped. Kevin didn't take out the transfer case, so it was a lot heavier. And now we're just gonna... What's next?
Probably jack the truck up a little higher and pull it out.
Oh, we gotta slide this out.
Probably pull the whole board out.
Yeah, we have like a whole we have it on a plywood right here, so we just gotta slide this plywood out, but obviously we need a little bit more clearance. So
Yeah, I can't believe I actually tackled it. Hey, when there's a will, there's always a way, guys and girls.
alright, let's we're gonna try to figure to slide this out so we can obviously disassemble the transfer case while it's outside, and obviously easier to work with. Alright, transfer case is out. So what we're gonna do now is, we've been getting quotes and options to rebuild, upgrade, whatever. We found a guy that can rebuild the transmission.
Yeah, so we're gonna actually just give send a workout. We're gonna have a stage 3 built on it, so they're just gonna have a bunch of billet stuff.
Trying to make this bulletproof.
Yeah, so I mean, we're gonna spend a little bit extra, and then we're gonna just tow the truck to him and just have him finalize everything. Yeah,
the thing with AAA is that it's only good to tow locally, and that's one of the issues that we were having. That's why we left it out in the desert. So like 100 miles back to the house, there's not a lot of companies willing to take on the job. So let me show you what we did with the transmission, because obviously we need to transport the transmission to the guy that's gonna build it for us. There it is. So Kevin's got it strapped onto the back of the Jeep. Good thing we picked up this Jeep, because this is the other daily that Kevin's going to be using. So yeah, got it. What's the weight capacity on this rack?
It says 500.
All right.
Well, I kind of don't trust it, so I went ahead and put another strap up here.
Yeah, you don't want. Like,
I mean, it feels solid.
You don't want to hit a bump on the road and then it just falls off. There goes your transmission.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 8,000.
So. Alright, so Kevin's gonna drop that off this morning, because the guy only works Monday through Friday, so there isn't like a weekend option that we can just drop this off. The rebuild takes about what, like 3 to 5 days?
Yeah, he could do it in about 2 days.
Okay.
So basically what he's gonna do is just strip everything down. He's gonna machine the inside, put a high volume pump on it. It's basically gonna be made to handle like 600 horsepower.
Yeah, and the other brand that we were gonna do if we were to buy a new transmission.
ATS.
Yeah, it was gonna.
I mean, it looks cool with the purple, yeah. But it's about 4 weeks out.
Yeah, 4 weeks out.
And so, you know, I'm impatient, so we're gonna just go ahead and. Well, my cousin Wisecraft actually recommended me to this place, and they specialize in this. So. Well,
Kevin's gonna head out, drive safe.
Hopefully, it doesn't pop off, and gotta buy a whole complete tranny.
So we'll see. We'll check back in about a week. Hopefully he can tell us like exactly what the issue was too.
I have a feeling it's something simple.
I'm kind of curious. It could be like a spring that popped out or something. I
have a feeling it's the forward drive, which is like inside here, or maybe a ring fell out and then
hopefully he can tell us.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask him.
And while he's at it, I mean, obviously, yes, we do want to rebuild it to make it obviously.
I mean, he's gonna be machining and CNCing. They're gonna put their own touches on it, so it's gonna be a fully built custom transmission.
Nice. All right, so we'll see you guys in a few days.
Bye.
Guys, the transmission is ready. So this time we opted for a tow. Alright, let's get this done. Alright, so we opted for a tow, of course, but like I said, AAA is only good locally, but when we were out in the desert, it was kind of difficult finding somebody. There she goes, guys. The proper way to tow this big girl. Alright, we'll see ya. Alright guys, the Ford's getting picked up. We will see you later today. Bye. We'll see you in a little bit. We'll be back. Oh yeah, it's definitely scratching. You're good. Alright guys, we just got to Upland. This is the same day the truck just picked her up. So we're here at Remac, R-E-M-A-C. If anyone's in this area and needs transmission work, well, let's see how these guys do first. We're heading in now.
See the 7.3 right there.
I heard it start. Well, we know it starts, but let's see if it drives. It's reversing. Let's see if it goes forward. Oh, let's go outside. Alright, well, it's reversing. Let's see if it goes forward. Oh, it's going up. It's going. Yeah. It did a couple jumps up.
Is that drag car right there?
Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh yay! She's alive. Oh nice. This is awesome. I think he's just gonna take it for a test run, obviously, before he releases us the keys. And we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, he's coming back. I see him right there. I mean, I'm assuming everything went well because he's back, of course. But we're gonna head back in and see. Alright, we just checked out, got the keys, and we're out of here. I'll see you at home.
Later.
She's looking good, guys. So far, so good. Alright guys, so we're back in the 7.3. We're just cruising around. We do need to, like I said, break it in 100 miles before we start towing again. Overall, quick summary, basically, I'm pretty sure he said the clutch was already worn out, kind of what Kevin's expected, other than what we thought it was. Like, originally we thought it was a V-bolt, and you guys saw how that mess went, but it wasn't. So, I mean, overall, 310,000 miles, it was done. It needed to be done. Even if we fixed a small part of it, we would have had to go back into the shop. So basically, the shop that we went to, Remac, R-E-M-A-C, up in Upland, shout out to the guys over there. They basically overhauled it, upgraded everything, and it's basically so we did a stage 2 with them, but in there, it's kind of the equivalent to a stage 3 ACS. So basically, we didn't have to wait 4 weeks. We didn't have to worry about the core charge and everything. Everything's all nice and clean down there. The guy said it's not going to break. It did come with a 3-year warranty or 50,000 miles, whichever comes sooner. I mean, other than that, like, it's been driving pretty great. I mean, Kevin,
I like it because, I mean, the shift is super firm, and I didn't realize how much power I was losing with the old transmission.
Yeah, so I'm glad we just got this. You know what? I'm glad it broke down where it did and not at the launch ramp or anything. So, I mean, guys, thanks for following us on this journey. I hope any of this, I'm going to put the link to that shop details down there. They're pretty experienced men out there. They do race, what is it, NHRAs?
Yes.
They race NHRAs, and if they can make, well, you guys saw that in the parking lot when the truck was backing out. If they can make a 7-second car, then I'm gonna trust them with my transmission work for sure. So I'm gonna put the link to their location details down in the description box. Thanks guys for joining us every week. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Thanks for your support, guys. We will see you guys next weekend.
See you later, YouTube. Bye.
Bye.